Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we've got something truly exciting to talk about, the Citroen 2CV 2025 model. This iconic French car has been reimagined for the modern world, and we're going to dive into every detail of it, from the interior, exterior, performance, and pricing. If you're a fan of retro cars or just looking for a quirky, eco-friendly ride, stick around because this review is for you. Let's start with the exterior. The Citroen 2CV has always had that charming, utilitarian look, and the 2025 version stays true to its roots while adding a modern twist. The design is unmistakable, sleek, rounded body panels with that signature corrugated metal roof. But now, it's all refreshed with a more contemporary finish. The materials used are lightweight but durable, giving it that classic feel without feeling dated. Citroen's design team has also added some sleek LED headlights that give the car a more forward-thinking look while still maintaining the friendly, almost cartoonish character the 2CV is known for. The wheel arches are slightly more pronounced, and the 2025 model sits just a bit lower, giving it a more dynamic and sporty stance. Now, let's take a look at the interior. When you step inside the 2CV 2025, you're immediately struck by how Citroen has managed to blend its nostalgic roots with modern sensibilities. The dashboard has been completely redesigned with a minimalist, clean aesthetic that keeps things simple and easy to navigate. There's a large touchscreen in the center, which controls everything from media to climate settings. Of course, you still have the iconic circular speedometer that's both retro and functional, but it's now digital, which is a cool upgrade. The seats are upholstered in eco-friendly materials, and there's even a unique fabric design that echoes the classic 2CV vibe. Citroen has made sure that the 2CV 2025 has plenty of room for comfort, despite the car's compact size. The cabin is spacious enough for 2 passengers in the front, and there's decent storage in the back, making it practical for short trips. As far as performance goes, the Citroen 2CV 2025 is all about efficiency. This model is fully electric, a far cry from its gas-powered ancestors, but it's no less fun to drive. The electric motor offers instant torque, making it surprisingly peppy for such a small vehicle. It's designed for city driving, and you'll have no problem zipping through tight streets or parking in crowded spaces. The battery range is impressive for a car of its size, around 180 miles on a full charge. Charging is quick and easy, and with the increased availability of charging stations, this car is ready for those daily commutes or a weekend getaway. The handling is light and nimble, just like the original, and it's got that classic 2CV vibe, smooth, comfortable, and a joy to drive at slower speeds. Let's talk about the price now. The Citroen 2CV 2025 isn't exactly cheap, but considering its modern features and electric powertrain, it's still a pretty great deal. The base model starts around €22,000, which puts it on par with other compact electric cars in the market. There are a few upgraded trims with additional features, like enhanced interior materials or advanced tech options, pushing the price up to around €25,000 to €28,000. This makes it an affordable choice for those who want a stylish, eco-friendly vehicle with a touch of nostalgia, without breaking the bank. Overall, the Citroen 2CV 2025 is a perfect blend of retro charm and modern innovation. It keeps the quirky personality of the original while delivering the performance, technology, and eco-friendliness of a contemporary car. Whether you're a fan of the classic 2CV or just looking for a small electric vehicle that stands out from the crowd, the 2025 model is a great option. So, what do you think of the new Citroen 2CV? Would you consider driving one? Let me know in the comments below. That's all for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our future reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.